Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in measurements, confirm hinge size and door thickness, then clamp the trend hinge jig to the door edge so the template is flush. Once clamped, align the template with the top edge and mark the screw pattern. Next, set the router depth stop to the exact Mordise depth. Test the cut on scrap wood to avoid surprises. This prevents overcutting and ensures the hinge sits flush. Make sure to secure the door or jig so nothing shifts before routing. You route the Mordise using a plunge router and the jig's guide bushing, keeping the router base flat against the jig surface for consistent tracking. Once routed, make shallow, controlled passes, 1/16 to 1/8 inch per pass, to maintain precision and reduce tear out. After each pass, clear chips and reseat the hinge in the cavity to verify fit. If the hinge sits proud, you'll adjust depth. If it sits too low, remove less material on the next pass. This method balances. You complete the installation by fastening the hinges with pilot holes and screws, making sure the hinge knuckles align and the door swings freely. Once screws are snug, test the door through its full range of motion. If it binds, slightly loosen screws, then adjust the Mordise depth or add a thin shim behind the hinge leaf. If binding persists, carefully remove about 0.5 mm from the knuckle side or reroute a hair more material. Finally, recheck alignment and tighten screws to final torque.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.